How to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to switch back to the original audio track. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, play any video that has auto dubbing enabled. You'll notice the audio is in a different language than the original. From there, tap on the video to bring up the playback controls. At this point, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the video player. In the next step, tap on Audio Track from the list of options. Following this, you'll see a list of available audio tracks, including the auto dubbed languages. Once done, scroll through and find the original or the native language of the video. From here, tap on it to switch the audio back to the original track. At this stage, the audio will immediately change back to the original language of the video. Finally, go back to the video and you'll hear it playing in its original audio without any auto dubbing applied. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you turn off auto dubbing and switch back to the original audio, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.